Okay, guys, we're salting our chicken. We've got 5 small chicken breasts in here. Chicken, you have to salt good, guys. It is a fresh meat.
I have fresh meat.
And it will taste pretty yucky if you don't salt it pretty good. But salt to your taste. I know y'all say I use too much. That's okay. Now we've got our chicken salted in there.
Can I shake it?
Yeah, you can shake it. Let me drain off a little bit of that water. I'll be right back. Talk to him, Wawa.
I'll be right back. Then can you press that button?
No, don't press it because we got to get this to cooking. Guys, we're frying these chicken breasts because then we will pull. We're not doing a crispy batter. We're just doing a normal. Yeah. We're just doing a normal batter, not a crispy batter.
And there's enough chicken?
Probably. Because we want to pull the meat off and make us a chicken sandwich for lunch.
What a chicken sandwich?
Well, now Wilder don't want no chicken sandwich. Okay, I've been letting our grease get hot. Let's see if it's hot enough. Okay, it's good. It shouldn't pop you now. Now we just got to get the rest of it all good and salted. I mean, floured. We're going to finish this and get it put in there, and then we'll be back.
We're going to be right back. Bye.
All right, guys. Since I only had 5 and they were small, I went ahead and put them all in here. Now I'm going to turn. What, baby? Well, you're going to have to get over here and just kind of look at them because they can't see me either. So we're just going to kind of move it around the best we can so that the... Can y'all see Wilder? Well, they see you. Talk to them. That's a little high. Okay, now they can't see our chicken, but that's okay. Say hi to them.
Hi.
I love you. Ooh, how about that? Okay, let me turn on the chicken right quick. Now, see, guys, I've turned it all around. I'm turning my fire down because Sonny's staying till it's high, so I'm turning it down to about a 4. It's okay. And we're going to turn all this over. I've got it all turned over. All 5 are in there. We're not worried about the bony pieces, so that's why they're kind of up. Then we're going to put our lid on here, and I've turned it down so it'll do a slow cook for about 5 minutes.
Wow.
I'll put my timer.
Look at you, Mimi.
Yeah. I'll put my timer, and then we'll come back and turn them. We'll be back then.
Bye.
Okay, our timer went off, our 5 minutes. So let's take our top off.
Oh no. If you
Remember, it's cooking low and slow. Right now, it's not doing the necessarily crispy, and it's getting it done. Getting our chicken done and leaving it juicy. So we're just turning it. You've got to be careful with this pot and this turner, but we're just going to turn it.
Like that?
Yep.
Wow! Look at that. Crunchy.
Look at that crunchy. I'm going to try to leave the big parts down in the grease, though, even when we turn it. Just a minute.
I like some of the crunch.
I know you do. You finally started liking some of the crunchy. Okay, we've got it turned where most of the big part is kind of down. Now we're going to cook it 5 more minutes, guys, with the lid on. And then we'll be back when that goes off. Then we'll turn our fire back up, and then we'll do the crispy part. Okay? You want to tell them bye?
Bye.
Okay, that's it. Mo, Wilder does it. Okay, ma'am. Here we go. We cooked it low. Now we're turning our heat back up. Our chicken will be good and done. But now we're going to flip it back to the crunchy side, back to the fat side, so to speak, so that it can get crunchy in the hot grease. We've just got it good and done now. So we don't have to worry about it being done. Now we're just getting it good and brown. Okay? So I'm going to set the temperature again, the timer again for 5 minutes. And when we come back, you hear how it's already starting to fry harder? When we come back, it'll be good and brown and ready to take up. Because we're not worried about this bottom side because we're making sandwiches out of ours. Now, if you wasn't making sandwiches, you would want to get it good and crunchy on both sides. Okay? But there it goes. It's starting to cook. We'll see y'all in 5 minutes. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, here's our chicken. Nice and crunchy. It ain't popped you. Now, if you wanted to, this will be the time when you turn it over like this and let it get browner on the back side if you want it to. Like I said, ours doesn't need to get browner on the back side because we're just making sandwiches. We're going to turn this off. Go ahead and take up our chicken.
What do I do? Mommy, that looks like bread.
Looks like bread. Well, Walter said this looks like bread. But anyhow, here's our chicken.
Mommy, what's that?
We will let it cool for just a little bit, and then we'll be back to make sandwiches. You want to turn it off?
Can you see me?
Tell them bye. Okay, guys, we've got a nice little Roma tomato. Tomato. That we're just going to slice into little slices. It's so pretty and red. If you don't like tomatoes on your sandwich, you don't have to have tomatoes. Just skip this part.
Dad put it for seeds.
Beautiful seeds. That is beautiful seeds, baby.
Watermelon have seeds.
Tomatoes have seeds because they're grown from a seed.
And watermelon have seeds.
Watermelon has seeds because they're grown from a seed. Okay, there's our tomatoes.
I don't need that piece, Mammy.
Because Mammy don't want the bottom part. You can eat it if you want it.
I don't want it.
Oh, okay. And then we've got our lettuce. We like on ours mayonnaise, mustard, lettuce, and tomato. And I should have picked up my mustard from the house because Sonny has no mustard other than Dijon mustard. Not a big fan of Dijon, or how to say it. That's just the tail end of the lettuce.
I don't like that part.
No, we don't eat that. You don't like lettuce at all.
Listen, you love a bit.
You do? Oh, you're changing up on me. Okay, this is what I do. I take my lettuce and hold it where our knot part's down and slam it into the ground. And then you can just take it right out normally. This one's not coming right out. Normally, guys, it comes right out. Your whole little piece will come right out. I'm going to. Normally, you do that and that whole little core comes out. Now this is.
My eye, it burns, and that burn my eye.
No, lettuce don't burn your eyes.
And what burn my
Then
eye?
we're just going to peel us off. Might get down a leaf or two. We can give them to the rabbits. Now, let's use this one. We're just going to peel us off some. I didn't cut it, baby.
I thought we don't cut it.
You thought we were going to cut it? Oh, no, we're not going to cut it. But I'm just tearing up pieces that are usable. Right here. We're only going to have, I'm going to have one sandwich. Sonny may have two, I'm not sure.
Sandwich a little bit too.
Do you like sandwich? I don't think you do.
Yes, I do a little bit.
A little bit, okay. He likes a little bit of a sandwich. Anyhow, I'm getting us some lettuce tore up here.
I'm going to taste the lettuce.
Okay, taste the lettuce.
Can my little one?
Don't put it in there. I told y'all he didn't like lettuce. Okay, now we've got our tomato.
I like a little bit
and our lettuce.
Mom, I like a little bit of potato.
Tomato?
Tomato.
Okay.
I like a little bit of it.
We'll be back when the sandwiches are ready to make. Okay, guys, this is how we do it. Sonny's right there on the side making hers.
Daddy, like your dress.
My shirt? Thank you, babe.
I'm itchy.
You're itchy. I'm going to get a plate while Sonny's doing that so Wilder, you can see how Wilder eats his.
Chicken bone. Chicky.
He don't have any chicken bone today.
No
So-
chicken bone.
So what he does is he just takes his breast and he wants the meat off of it, and then he wants
But
the...
I don't want to. I like some crunchy.
I know you like some crunchy. Oh, that's a little hot too still.
Can you blow
You
it?
might better get a fork, Sonny. It's still a little hot. We take his off the bone anyway. Whew.
I like the rest of the crunchy.
And what he's talking about, the crunchy, he likes where it's browned. Oh, ow. Where it doesn't like this. Let's see. Like that. Where it doesn't have skin. That's what he likes. This part that's got the skin, he wants the skin taken off like that. That's how he eats his, and then we have to tear it up real little for him to eat it. Right? It's hot now. It's hot, baby.
This
Ooh.
one not a lot of hot.
And it's hot. Okay. Now, Sonny's made hers. See, she's got little dots of...
I mean, this one not a lot of hot.
It's not a little hot. Well, eat it then if you can eat it. Is that good chicken or not? Did you do a good job cooking it? Awesome. Can you give them a thumbs up? There's mayonnaise on mine, but I
Can you kill some chicken bone tomorrow?
I'll try to, yeah. I like a little more mustard than Sonny
Can you
does.
take a little bite?
But this is how we like ours, guys. Then with our lettuce on it. Our tomato, which I'm only going to get one piece. Maybe two. I'll get this little one. Tomato. And then I'm going to... Can you see me right here? Let me see if I can move his over a little bit and get this down a little bit.
And that's what I
There.
do.
I just take my fork, or my hand if that's what I've got, and go in right beside where that meat is on your breast.
This is for my chicken.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Anyhow, go right in beside your meat and tear it off the bone, just like that. It's okay, Mammy. I'll get it out. It's not the end of the world. You'll live. Just like that. See? Got my meat off. Chew it. Take a little bite. Take a little bite. Because that's a little big bite for you. You're going to chew up that whole thing. And then just kind of tear it apart a little bit. So that your whole, these buns are small, so it don't take much to cover it. But then we put our meat on there with our lettuce and tomato. And there's our homemade fried chicken sandwich, guys. It's so good. There's mine. There's Wild Man's. There's the start of Gaga's. She's got to get her lettuce. Her lettuce. And then her tomato. Yes, Billy. And I think I put... Oh, no, that's the tops. Okay. We'll put her one on one and half on that. And then she'll tear her meat up and put it on her sandwiches. But there you go. You want to tell them bye?
Put that on there.
That's fine. You want to tell them?
Bye. I'm push the button.
Say I love you.
Love you. Mommy, one more piece of butter. Me, one more piece of butter.
Oh, Wilder gets press button. He's cooking this.